A,
2,
do,
3,
tua,
4,
quatro,
5,
cinq,
6,
six,
7.
sept,
Okay. 7 is Seth and P is silent. Okay. We don't pronounce
okay,
the P. And 8,
sept, huit,
8. Okay. 9,
n-
10,
no, 10.
8. Okay. 11 is ons.
Ma'am, if
Okay.
you could please record the class, please.
I'm not the one who's having the option. Whoever has got, ask him. Just click on the record button. You will know the name.
Okay, thanks,
Who
Harshgoel.
who is it?
Harsh is recording.
Harsh is recording the first meet. Okay, so Harsh, you have to share it in the GCR so that the other meet people will also get. Okay, fine. Okay, 11 is owns. I'll see to that everybody get this recording. Okay, 11 is
Thank you,
owns.
ma'am.
11 is owns. Okay, listen to the pronunciation. It is owns. Okay, o, not on. Owns. 12 is do's. 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 Thrice. Thrice. You will say no twice, thrice, once in English. Thrice. Okay. 13 is thrice. 14. 14 is 14. 14. 15 is quinze. 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 16 is size. 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 Okay, I'll repeat 11 to 16. The remaining we'll learn later. 11 to 16 is onze, treize, 14, 15, 16. One more time, I'll repeat. Onze, douze, treize, 14, 15, 16. Who can pronounce 11 to 16? Yes.
Ons, ons, dos, tres, cuatros, quince. Sorry,
Okay. In both the meet,
15.
each one of you have pronounced fine. Okay. But I don't know who are they. So what's your name? Those who have pronounced now from both the meet.
Inzamam,
Inzamam from one and the other one in the first meet. Who has pronounced? Abhishek. Abhishek. Okay. Good. Okay. Fine. Now here you have pronounced this as Patros. One of you have pronounced it as Patros. See, it is Tor. Okay, so Kators, not Katros. If you pronounce it as Katros, you will write RO. Okay, so when you do the pronunciation, get the right pronunciation and pronounce it. Otherwise, you will make spelling mistakes. Okay, fine. But otherwise, the pronunciation is good. No problem. Okay, now 17. So from
ma'am, 15,
17
16 again, please.
15 is 15. Okay, so they are asking for 15 and 16 pronunciation again. So I will repeat. 15 is 15, 16 is size. Size. You will pronounce size, no, in English. Size. Just with
Yes,
a
ma'am.
slight accent, you will pronounce it as size. Okay,
Size,
size. Sorry. 15 is 15. QU is pronounced with the sound K. Okay, cans. Okay, cans. Fine.
Can you repeat once? 12.
Okay, I'll repeat 11 to 16 one more time. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Fine. Still have any doubt with 11 to 16? Anybody? You want me to repeat any number? Is it fine? Okay. Shall we move on? Okay, fine. Next is 17. 17, we don't have a separate number like 11 to 16. 17 is an addition of two numbers. Okay, you can't have your own calculation. They have a number already, but which is calculated. Okay, so 10 is these and 7 is Seth. So it is pronounced as this Seth. Okay. If you write like this Seth, this is wrong. Okay. Why it is wrong? Same spelling. Why it is wrong? Here there is no hyphen. Okay. Without the hyphen, it is understood as they are two different numbers. Only if there is an hyphen, it is understood as one number, which is 17. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 17 is pronounced as this set. Here 10, you will pronounce it with the sound these. But here you will pronounce it with the sound this. This set. Okay. Next is 18 is this sweet. Okay. 18 is this sweet. So what will be 19? This nerve. Yes. 19 is this nerve. Okay. 19 is this nerve. So 0 to 19 is clear to you all. Okay, so everybody, you should learn the numbers from 0 to 19 because the remaining numbers you can easily write if you know the numbers from 0 to 19. How? What is this number in English? 21. It's an addition of two numbers, right? 20 and 1. Okay, what is this number? 28. Addition of two numbers, 20 and 8. You know the number 20 and you know the numbers 1 to 10. So you can easily write 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Same in French. Okay. So 20 in French is vin, V-A-I-N-G-T, vin. Okay. So what is 1? What is 1? Ah, 21. Okay. That is 21. So can you tell me what will be 28? Okay, 20,
One, Chewy.
20, okay, 20 is pronounced as ba. Okay, one of you have asked for the pronunciation of 20. 20, this is the spelling. Okay, how will you pronounce this word in English, which I have written in between the bracket? Van. Don't pronounce N completely. How will you pronounce? Ba. Okay, so that is, yeah, that is the pronunciation of 20. So, how will you write 28? Van tweet. Yes, van tweet. Van. Okay. So is it clear? Isn't it simple? So if you know the numbers from 0 to 20 and numbers like 30, 40, 50, 60, these numbers, you can write any number in French. Is that clear? So numbers from 0 to 90 are very important. Okay. I will give you a 5 minutes time. I want you to learn the numbers from 0 to 19. Now for the class sake. Okay. Now we will be seeing one by one. Please wait. Okay, somebody has asked for 20, what is 30, 40, 50. So we will see one by one. Now, you just go through the numbers from 0 to 19. Have a screenshot of this page because I will be using these numbers in the class now. So for the class sake, I want you to take the screenshot. Otherwise, also, I will be sharing this PPT in the GCR. That is different. Now, for the class, I want you to refer this page. So take the screenshot. Okay, take the screenshot and go through this 2 minutes time. Just go through the spelling, go through the pronunciation. Just learn the numbers from 0 to 19. 2 minutes time. Fast.
Very difficult, ma'am.
That, that generally we will be using in any sentences. Like for example, I have an apple. So apple is masculine gender. I have an apple or I have one apple. So apple is masculine or feminine? Masculine. Le pomme or la pomme? La, feminine. Okay. So I can write uniform. Uniform, it has two meanings. One is an apple. The other meaning is one apple. Understood? This is how we will use and. Okay. Again, like this. Un livre. What is un livre? Un livre means a book, or I can write one book. I have only one book. So in that sentence, I will write like this. Okay, it got both the meanings, a or an or one. Okay. Okay, how will I pronounce 14? 14 is pronounced as 14. 14. Okay. And don't write these spellings as the spellings of 10 in French. Okay. This is the spelling. These I have wrote just for you to understand the pronunciation. Okay. Don't write these spellings as the spellings of French numbers. You have any doubt from 0 to 19? Shall we move forward? Everybody? Okay, fine. Next, we are going to see numbers from 20 to 39. So this is very simple. What is 20? 20 is Va. I've told you. Yeah. So what will be 21? Okay. So 21 is Vanteya. 22 is Vander. 23 is Vantua. 24 is Vankat. 25 is Vansine. Vansis. Vanset. Vansweet. Vantnerf. Front. Okay. Fronteya. First, I'll read out and then I'll explain. Fronteya. Fronte. Frontois. Frontatre. Front-cinq, front-six, front-sept, front-huit, front-neuf. Okay. Now, see, these are the numbers from 20 to 39. Okay. So, 20 is 1 and 21 is Vante. And you have a ET here. What is this ET? ET means and. That is 20 and 1. 21. Okay. This we are using. You can also write like this. This is also correct. You can write it in either ways. But 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. The remaining numbers you have to write only with the hyphen. You're not supposed to use ET. If you use ET, it is wrong. Why we are using ET here? It's mainly for the pronunciation sake. Okay, UN, va, doesn't sound French. Okay, so they have added a ET. This ET is pronounced with the sound A. Okay, it is pronounced as A. ET, how we will pronounce? A. So we will pronounce it together. Vantea. Vantea. Understood? Yes? Yes. Even this is also pronounced as Vantea. With a hyphen also, if you write, it is pronounced as Vantea. Got it? No. No. Okay. It is only with 21, 31, 41, 51 for all the ones. Okay, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91. Till 91, we will use ET. Or without ET also you can write. That is also correct. But when you pronounce, you will pronounce it with a sound. Okay, Vanteya, Fronteya, like that. Okay, so next, how will you pronounce 22? I want you guys to pronounce. How will you pronounce 22? And oh, very good. 23?
Vantra.
Okay. 24?
Vandatra.
25?
Vansame.
26?
Vansteve.
27?
Vanscap.
28?
Vanpir.
Okay. 29?
Vanna.
And okay. 30? Trant. Trant. Okay, listen to me. Trant. How will you pronounce? 30?
Tran.
Trant. Okay, now Trante, Trant. Stop with T. Trant. Okay, so 31 will be
Trantea.
Tranteya. Very good, very good. Tranteya. What is 33?
Trantatra.
37?
the
37.
transept,
Tronset, not Trontre. Okay, so one of you are pronouncing it as
Tronset.
Trontre. It is not Trontre. There is no R here. It is Tront. Okay. I am getting the echo of what I am speaking. Fine. Okay. So 37 is Tronset. Fine. Is that clear?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
How will you pronounce 20?
Van.
One.
How will you pronounce 30?
Grant.
Tron.
Tront.
Tront.
Very good. Okay. Next, we are going to see 40. 40 is Karant. Okay, same as 4. What is 4? 4 is Katra. 4 is Katra. So, Katra, Karant. Okay, it is almost the same, what do you say, rhythm. Okay, Katra, Karant. So, 41 will be Karanteya, Karant2, Karant3, Karant4, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Again, 5 is what? 5. 5 is 5, 50. Okay, you can easily remember the spelling if you relate to these numbers. Okay, 50 is 50. So, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Are you clear with these numbers?
Once again,
How will
ma'am.
you pronounce? Sorry. Yeah, 50. Yeah, 50. Again, the last E is silent. Once again, the last E is silent. Stop till T. Yes, what's your doubt? Okay, fine. Now, 40. How will you pronounce 40? Karant. Repeat, Karant.
Karant.
50.
Cinquante.
50. Okay. So 50 is 50. How will you pronounce 46?
Parentheses.
46. 55.
Cinquantesime.
50.
Cis.
55. Not sink. Okay.
I
5.
will
50.
go to
5. Okay. Next. Okay. Next we will see soixante. 60 is soixante. Soixante. Okay. 60 is how 60 how will you pronounce? Soixante. So 61 is 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Okay, till 69 we'll see first. Okay, how will you pronounce 60? 60 is soixante. Okay, 60, how will you pronounce? Soixante.
Soixante.
Yes. 61 is
Soixante un.
soixante. Yeah. Okay, 64.
Soixante-quatre.
64. 68.
Soixante-huit.
68.
68. Now, we'll just do a small revision till this. Okay. So, numbers from 0 to 19, you have to learn that you learn. How will you pronounce 20?
One.
One.
Okay. How will you pronounce 30? I want only the pronunciation. Okay. How will you pronounce 40? Quarante. How will you
Quarante.
pronounce 50? Cinquante. How will you pronounce 60? Soixante. Okay, that's fine. So, in the exam point of view, how you should study? You should learn the numbers from 0 to 19, then numbers like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. If you learn, then only these. If you learn, you can easily answer till 69. Clear? Yes? Yes or no? Okay,
Yes.
fine. Now, next, we'll see numbers from 70 to 79. Now 60 is Swasant. What is 61?
Swasantam.
62,
Swasantada.
63.
Swasantatra.
Okay. Swasant Twa. Okay. I could
Twa.
hear Swasant A Trois. Don't pronounce A. Okay. Swasant Trois. Swasant Un, Swasant Deux, Swasant Trois. Okay. Fine. 64,
Swasantatra.
65,
Swasant Singh.
66,
Swasant Singh.
67,
Swasant Set.
68,
Swasant Hit.
69,
Swasant
70.
Swasant Base.
Swasant these. Okay. 60 plus 10. Okay. It's an addition of two numbers. 70, we don't have a separate number like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 70, we don't have a separate number for 70 in French. It is an addition of two numbers. What are those two numbers? 60 plus 10. You are not supposed to have your own calculation. You don't write it like 50 plus 20. You're not supposed to do that. It is wrong. Okay. 70 is these. That much? Yes, we don't have. Okay. Yes, you're right. 17 and 70 we don't have. Okay. So 70 is these. So 71 will be ons. Okay. That is 60 plus 11. Is that clear? Yes. Okay. 72 is douze. 73 price. You can compare both. I have this list of 60 to 69 have here. I have the list of 70 to 79. So you can compare. What is 63? 63. 73 treize. That is 60 plus 13. Okay. 74 is 74. 75 is 75. 76 is 76. 77 is 60 this set. 78 is 60 this week. 79 is 60 this naf. It's not difficult. It is very simple. You can easily learn. You learn the number 60 and numbers from 1 to 10. Oh, sorry, 1 to 9 in 60 series. And for 70 series, it is numbers from 60 you will write and numbers from 11 to 19. Is that clear? Yes. You want me to repeat this again or is it clear? One more time. Okay. 60 is an addition of two numbers. That is 60 plus 1. Okay. 60 plus 2. 60 plus 3. But here it is 60 plus 12. So 72 is 60 plus 12. 60 plus 13. 60 plus 14. Okay, here it is 60 plus 4. 64 is 64. 60 plus 4. 74 is 60. 60 means 60. 14 means 14. Is that clear? Is it clear now? Everybody? Still, if you have doubt, you can ask me. Clear, fine. Okay, so how will you pronounce 60?
Swasant.
What is 66?
Swasant
Swasant
Singh.
76? Size, yes, very good. 66 is 66. 76 is 76. Okay. What is 67?
Swasant Set.
77? This set. Okay. Are you all clear? Are you all clear with 60 series and 70 series? Everybody? Okay. Shall I move forward? Shall we? Yes. Next 80. 80 means Katrugam. Okay. 80 means what? Katrugam. Okay, don't go into calculation. 80. 80 in French is 80. That's all. Okay, you should learn this as one word. 80. 80. 81 is, what will be 81?
81.
Very good. 81 is 80. Okay, 82 is 80. 83, 83. 84,
84.
85,
85.
85, 86,
86.
87,
87.
88,
88.
89,
89.
89. Okay, so 80 to 89. So 80 is Katrava, and you yourself you have read this, so the pronunciation is easy and you have understood also how to do it, right? But here what you should remember is as a number 80, the spelling of Katrava, Va will be with an S. There will be an S here. But in the other numbers, we will not have that S. It's just Va, V-I-N-G. Clear? Everybody, is it clear? Feel free.
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't understand, ask me. I'll repeat one more time. Okay, don't hesitate. Number is one important topic. Okay, fine. Now 70, we have learned it as it's an addition of two numbers, that is 60 plus 10. Same as 90 also doesn't have a separate number. 90 also it's an addition of two numbers. Which are the two numbers? This is 80. Satrama is 80. What is 10? These. 80 plus 10, 90. Okay. So 90 is also an addition of two numbers. So 91 will be 91. 92 will be 92. What is 93? Okay. 94,
93. 94.
95, as 96, 97, 98, 99. Katruva, this now. Okay, so 70 and 90 with their numbers, you will have 11 to 19. Okay, with 60 plus 11 to 19, and for 90, it will be 80 plus 11 to 19. The remaining are all 1 to 9. I hope it is clear to you all. If any part is not clear, ask me before we go into the other numbers. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just a small revision. It's a language, okay? We can't ask all these questions. If they ask any question like this in our language, do we have answers? Is it our numbers? Is it English? No. It is English, no? It's not our mother tongue, right? So, you're not supposed to ask such questions in language. There are no rules in language. Yeah? Fine. So now a small revision. What is 20 in French?
Van.
What is 30? 30. What is 40? 40.
40.
Okay. What is 50? 50. What is 60?
60.
60. Okay. Okay. What is 70? 60.
10.
Okay. What is 80?
80.
80. And what is 90?
90.
80. Don't miss the hyphen. Okay, the hyphen are important. Only if there is an hyphen between these numbers, it's understood as one number. Okay, till this is clear for you all. Now, next we are going to see numbers from 100. Okay, 100. What is 100? 100 in French is cent. C-E-N-T, cent. 100 is cent. Clear? Pronounce. How will you pronounce 100? Yes, cent. 100 is pronounced as cent. So 100 is cent. What is 101? Cent un. So numbers from 17 to 99, we will use hyphen. Okay. After after 99, we will not use any hyphen. So here for 101, we will not use any hyphen. Okay. Now 156. So 156. So this number 56 is within 100. So here we are using hyphen. But here for between 100 and 56, we will not use any hyphen. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
56. 156. So 56. Next. Okay, what is 200? 2 is what? What is 100? Song. The song. 100. 200 as in English. Okay. 200. And hundreds, we will add an S. Okay. Next is 235. So what is 200? The song. What is 35? Tronsang. So the song Tronsang. Okay, so this is how we will write. So here for 200, we have written the song with an S. But as 80, 81, 82, 80, we wrote it 80 with Katruva with an S. Katruva with an S at the last. But for 81, we have not written that S. It is just Katruva hyphen a. So here the S is missing, right? So same way for 200, 300, 400, complete numbers like this, 300, 400, we will write it with an S. Okay, with an S. But even if it is 301, after 300, if you have any number, we will not add that S. It is just croissant without an S. Clear? So all the numbers like 400, 500, we will write it with an S. 400, 500. That. Is it clear for you all? Yes or no? Okay, fine. Next. Sorry. What was 82 you are asking? 82 is Katruvando. Why? What happened? Okay. Okay, fine. Next is 289. So how we will write 289 as in English? Okay, what is 200? The song. What is 80? Katrava. What is 9? Nerf. So the song Katrava nerf. Is that clear? So 300 is croissant. 695 is 695. Okay, till this is clear? 1000. 1000 in French is meal. So 2000 is the meal. So how we will write 2643? The meal 643. Okay, 6921. What is 6000? Six meal. What is 900? Nerve song. What is 21? Vanteya. So six meal, nerve song, Vanteya as in English. Okay. Is it clear? How will you write this number? Okay. Okay, yeah, we'll go according to the order. So what is first one? 7,000. What is 7,000? Set meal. Okay. What is next number? 800. What is 800? Weeks. Weeks song. Then what is next number? Sankant. Sankant is 50. Sankant. Then 1. Sankanteya.
Sankateya.
Okay, simple. You don't just write it like this. Clear, everybody? How to do? Yes? Okay, fine. Now, I want you to take the screenshot of this. Okay, no need of screenshot. Wait. I'll share it in the screen itself. Okay, so you will be doing this exercise. When you are doing this exercise, I will be taking the attendance. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to write these numbers in letters. So that is what they have written here in the title. Écrivez. Écrivez means write. Écrivez les nombres. Nombre means numbers. Write the numbers in letters. Écrivez les nombres en lettres. Write the numbers in letters. So you have to write these numbers in letters. So what is 61? What is 61?
61.
Okay. So like that, write all these numbers. When you're writing, I'll take attendance, and then after attendance, if we have time, we'll discuss the answer. Otherwise, we'll continue these answers in the next class. Okay, start. Answer your attendance in between. CSBS students, answer your attendance. Sriram, Inzamamul, Muhammad Inzamam,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Namrata,
Yes, ma'am. Present, Namrata.
Kapsi,
Present, ma'am.
Bhuvan,
Present, ma'am.
Huzaifa, Huzaifa, just a number 105. Aniket, Sai Ganesh, Shakti, Shakti Charan, Rudvija, Shivani, Nikhil, Nikhil Royal, Shravan Kumar.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. I'll repeat the absentees in CSBS. Huzaifa. Huzaifa is there? Shakti Charan. See, once I close, I can't do any changes. So please answer your attendance.